What do you want to say to the camera?
Bye.
No, say hi.
Hi.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say you smell.
Your mother. My mom go.
I'm right here.
Where's my daddy?
He's in the living room. Who's who's in your family? The father? Who else?
Son.
Son. Who else?
Name.
Who?
Oh, Jennifer went home.
Name.
Name?
Did you know that?
Yeah, I saw it. What?
Flower.
Father.
Son. Bear.
Oh!
Bear.
No. You go like this. You go like this. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Can you do that? Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
Flower. Oh, well.
The what?